Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making paper neon signs. Begin by taking a black piece of paper and drawing a simple shape of your choice with pencil on it. Next, outline that drawing in a light color of oil pastel. Then take a darker color of oil pastel and outline the line that you just created on both sides. Lastly, take a dark color of chalk pastel and outline your shape on both sides. Once that's done, use your finger to blend the pastel away from your shape. You've made your own paper neon sign.